Hi, my name's Sina Rohani and today we're talking about the Semantic Web. We've got Jan here. Jan, can you tell me a bit more about yourself, your company you work for and your kind of job role?
Yes, I work in a media company specialized in the web content management system Typo 3. We make websites for companies.
Excellent.
And
okay, so do you know much about Semantic Web and possible future implications it could have on the general public and internet users in general?
well, if you look at today's websites, you will see that their internal structure is very much affected by things like search engine optimization, because as you'll see more and more, there are companies which are almost completely web-based, and so for these companies obviously the number one priority is to be found, because that's what they're based on. If they're not found, they fail.
Okay, so going back to your job role, what do you think the implications of Semantic Web could be on the way you work, the way you find data, the way you use data?
Well, if you especially look for finding data, a lot of resources go into things like search engine optimization, as I said. For example, buying Google AdWords and things like that. And so with the Semantic Web, it's not that you this is a lot different, because it's not the specific word you're looking for, but it's the context you're looking for. And so, for example, this concept of Google AdWords will probably drastically change with the introduction of Semantic Web.
So can you think of advantages and disadvantages of introducing the Semantic Web in the way you work?
Well, it might make things a lot more difficult and a lot more simple at the same time. Especially with the introduction, when it's introduced, it will be very new to people. And like search engine optimization is a science in itself.
Yes.
And it has taken years to come to the point at which it is now. So with Semantic Web, this whole thing will have to be made up from scratch, pretty much. And so again, we will probably see a process of development which might take many years.